You see all them slackness here. Watch it. All them slackness here. What is? Ants crew. I can't. But we can. I don't even know what that means. ANC and work. No, look at now. The water come here now. Look what the water used for. Look what the water is being used for. For all up a little weak ant screw banner them sitting them and thing like. Look what the water used for. So what happen now when we need for drinking water? Eh? All them slackness here. You see what I talk about, people? All them brightness here. I walk around there, so. Look at all them purple smoke sitting in that. No, and a purple that. Maroon red. Anyway, people. You have to remove this, right? Set up a guan, you know. See it there? See boss field there? Pretty punchy come from 2 o'clock in the morning for lock off his spot. You think she is it? Boy, I have to give thanks to her for that. I don't lie. You understand? I'm setting up a guan. Me wake up 4 o'clock, or me wake up 4 o'clock in the morning because them say, Ray, if you see if you spot them. Them say pretty punchy there already. 3P. We have to give thanks to you for that, you know. Nah lie. See it there? It might be a get together about work if you don't see Melody come here. And me have to have a real talk with Melody because I see Melody help pretty punchy and put up that little crosses banner over there. So you understand? So something in a something. Something in a something. Something in a something. Yes? Set up, you know, TamFam Sports Day. Alright? TamFam Sports Day, early thing, Eisenhower Park with it. In a Long Island. This are the thing, the Field 3, Eisenhower Park. Field 3 in a Long Island. And that I go on today and see the day look cool already. What a pick. I just want to say enough respect to the Spray Them crew. And what I really like, what the Spray Them crew did was, what I really like. What that?
We came and we assisted the ants.
Who, what you mean we? What kind of we? What kind of we? Yo, I don't even like how you're talking, Melody. No, I don't like them talk. I don't like how you're talking, but we came and assisted the ants crew. Yes, you were right, and I just want to say big respect to the Spray Them crew because it's all about service because the Spray Them crew should have already gone to Paris for the Olympics. And them just decide to stay back today just for this. So I just want to say thanks to the Spray Them crew. I think, you understand? Because we for the Paris right, you know, for the Olympics and things, but true, you know, the crew say, yo, Raga, you know, we rate you and things, so, and we're there at TamFam, we say, everything is everything, so, hey, I know nothing normal, you know, you see it? So, just to make you know what I want, yeah, throw the ice in the thing, yeah, but save some for the giant and you don't need them and all these things, when pressure reach, you know, that may I tell you, I've got to save some of the ice them for that because you're not going to need it. You're not going to need ice today. Okay. And that way I tell you, because we are bring the heat. Spray them, yellow, sun, heat. The grungy grays. The grungy grays going to need the ice today. Hold on, make I go for the other, I have one next ice in there, because I don't know. I go for the other ice. I work, you know. It might be a get together, but you don't know. Look, it might be a get together, you know, but you don't know the work I have to put in, you know. Watch out. Alright. Yes, the other ice. Rest that right. That's a lot back that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we have to buy ice, you know, because apart from cooling the juice, them and all these things and whatever, you don't know the ants screw are gonna need the ice, you know. And pressure reach them and thing and then pull up muscles and all these things, you see it? Alright, see the other one, eh? Alright. Well on, TamFam Sports Day. What ya?
Yeah, that's the
Dukunu.
Dukunu they already, you know.
Jazz.
Blue jars they already, you know.
Tire leaf.
You see it. Anyway, people. We're there on it from early out. Yeah. What you say, Shirley? No, early, Shirley. All right. Watch out, woman. There. Watch out, woman. A video about my thing. Watch out, woman. A video about my thing. All right. But yeah, right now. No, just go and line up with us. Me not look for her, you know. Me not look for her. All right. Now I'm going to business and forward, you know, because we're there and you don't know jugglings and thing. I set up a thing and thing. TamFam Sports Day, TamFam Olympics, SDC, ANC, PDC, all kind of C. You see it? Yeah. You know you should have write it. You know you should have write it. All right, people, look up more.